Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Everyfun professional massage gun, deep tissue percussion muscle massager for pain relief, handle electric body massager, super quiet, 10 hours of runtime, LG battery is installed. That's really awesome. It's the percussion massage device M3 Pro from Everyfun. Woo! This sounds good and it feels so awesome. The Everyfun is always committed to advocating a healthy and quality life, determined to improve people's living standards and spread happiness through quality products and services. And this we can see on this device. It's really good designed. Reliable materials are built in and it is so silent, really silent. It has a quick pain relief. Everyfun multifunctional deep tissue massage gun quickly relieves sore and stiff muscles to improve mobility in about 5 minutes. As the best massage gun, the massage is designed by chiropractor for athletes, but this suitable for anyone to use. That sounds not only awesome, it is awesome because of the long working time. The cordless muscle massage gun is equipped with 6 LG batteries holding a capacity of 3200 mAh, lasting for 10 hours after full charge. If we use the fascia gun 20 minutes per day, we don't need to worry about power within a month, which is far beyond any other massage guns out there. And a faster speed and a stronger power. The maximum speed reaches 3,200 hits per minute directly to the 12mm deep muscles. For the percussive massage gun has 70-watt brushless motor. Professional massagers won't stop working even with 65 pounds of pressure. It has 5 adjustable speeds for our choice and a super quiet massage gun we have here. Even the massage gun for athletes is running next to our ear. We won't feel the noise, just like whispers without exceeding 45 decibel. We can enjoy a quiet massage experience wherever we are at home, in office, in the gym, or in vacation. The healthy company. Exercise is an interesting health activity which makes us healthier, stronger, and happier. When we strive to achieve sports performance goals, the muscles will feel sore, causing us great pain and high discomfort, which may affect the training program and even hinder our daily life and work. This is how Everyfun comes. They only want to us the best experience, happiness, and the benefit of exercises, but not pains and unpleasantness. So Everyfun massage gun is coming to help us, which is a handheld massage device that applies concentrated pressure pulls deep into the muscle tissue, which can eliminate nodules and tighten muscles, improve blood flow, and rapidly increase the range of motion. The correct use of the massager can quickly shorten the recovery time while reducing some of the pain, tension, and soreness caused by intense exercises. Oh, that is so nice. It's a professional massage gun suitable for high intensity trainings, athletes, rock climbers, fitness instructors, hiking, etc. Everyfun M3 Pro professional deep tissue massage gun for the athletes out there. This is a percussive massage that applies for concentrated pressure deep into our muscle tissue. It works knots and tension out of the muscles while improving the blood flow and quickly enhancing the range of the motion. Ah, the deep muscle massage is particularly suited for athletes, rock climbers, fitness instructors. Hiking quickly helps relax sore and stiff the muscles. Awesome. As massage devices that becomes more and more important in people's life. Accordingly, the customer services or technology supports is increasing too. Today, with the compressors after sales service, it comes good to us. That means if enhancing the anti-consumer over-the-shakes experience has never been easier. We can have a problem with that device and the consumer service will help us out there. But there will be no big play about problems because it is made out of a good device, out of a good materials, etc. We have a big, awesome massage gun in our hand. This is the M3 Pro. And we have a different size of heads on it. We have the flat head, suitable for relaxation and shaping of various muscle parts. Then we have the spiral head. This is suitable for impacting deep tissues such as meridians, joints, palms, soles of feet. Then we have the bulb head. It's suitable for mass muscle groups such as arms, waist, hips, thighs, and calves. Or we are going to use the fork head. This is suitable for massage neck, spine, Achilles, tendon, and brand new, and only at this gun, the air cushion head. This is an exclusive patent design suitable for bones of various parts of the body. We have here the M3 Pro. The weight is 2.31 pounds. The item dimensions are 9.82 to 2.95 to 8.66 inches. That's not so big and not so heavy to have a good and nice muscle relaxed massage. The noise level is under 45 decibel and there are built-in 6 lithium batteries that are included. And the charging time is approximately 4 hours. The battery life will be 10 hours and we have an automatic power off mode. The auto power off time is 10 minutes. The materials which are built in is ABS, silicone, foaming, etc. And we have all what we need. We will get the massage gun, the 5 massage heads, an AC adapter, and that it is. It's really easy to get the muscle tissue again back. We can use it. The slender handles has been ergonomically considered, and the innovative anti-skid tilt handles brings a comfortable ergonomic grip combined with a high quality metal space gray paint shell. But you can also buy it in different color types. I think there was red or blue. I saw blue on the market too. But in my case, it's gray, okay? A high precision process is used to create an integrated T-shaped closed structure, creating simple and smooth lines and unique minimalized appearance design. Then, strong power direction to the deep body. Using the internal balance, low power and high speed, Everyfun massage device has a surgeon power source with a high speed up to 3,200 revolutions per minute at reaching 12mm deep muscle groups, quickly crushing the lactic acid generated after exercise. So that the thrill of excitement sweeps every muscle cell. which brings comfortable experience directly into our bodies. And if you're not in the States, you can choose a power adapter to get the power into the batteries with it. Then, the 5G frequency conversation for different people, especially sports fans. Strictly based on the theory of the body's muscle and bones, the device designs a scientific 5-speed variable frequency vibration mode to meet multiple needs. Whenever it is a daily, soothing, and relaxing, or professional who needs a deep massage, we can find the right amplitude. And this is only reachable if you're pushing on the button on the head of the device. Keep pushing a little bit longer, then it will start automatically in mode number 1, and continue pushing to switch between the 5 modes. And 45 decibel low noise mute. We can enjoy the moment of relaxing. The brushless noise reduction motor is equipped with a new generation of noise reduction technology to control the noise within 45 decibel, wherever in a noisy gym or a quiet office. Please boldly deliver your body to it. Crush fatigue and surrounds us in silence and immerse our body and mind in a peaceful and relaxing time. And 10-hour long-lasting energy storage lithium batteries. Yeah. Everyfun massage gun uses 3,200 mAh long-acting energy storage lithium batteries. With a battery life of up to 10 hours, with a fast charger, it takes only 4 hours to full charge. At the same time as a high efficiency and energy saving, it also provides abundant lasting power. If we enjoy the massager for 10 minutes a day, it can be continuously used for about 90 days at speed level 1, of course. And smart shutdown protecting. Then we give the body the most intimate care. The duration of using the massage gun varies according to different parts. In order to avoid too long massage time on the same part and then damage the muscle and bones, every massage gun is equipped with intelligent timing protection system. It will automatically stop after 10 minutes to continuous use to ensure our body safety and protects the device as well. Yeah. Then suited for many settings, especially on sports occasions. The massage gun is suitable for the symptoms of back, shoulder, neck, surrounds caused by sitting in the office for a long time, carrying heavy objects, and long distance travel. It is also suitable for professional athletes. Everyfun has outstanding performance in daily massage and health care, relaxation of stiff muscles and body shaping. And it's lightweight, portable, and easy to carry anymore. It has a combination of high tenacity, bulletproof rubber, ultralight glass fiber, lightweight and high performance motor. All accessories are placed in a safe and waterproof packaging case to get rid of the messy wires. It can be used on an occasion and enjoy a new professional massage experience anytime, anywhere. And so easy operation. They're really easy. We have to press only one button. Then we have the battery indicators, which shows off how much power is inside. And then we can press for frequency adjustment. 5 speeds are possible. Then we can recharge it by the recharging plug easily. It's always easy to use and it brings you joy. 10-hour battery life, LG imported batteries. Amplitude is 12 millimeter. The super quiet mode is 45 decibel, silent, 10 minutes auto power off, anti-slide, anti-fall, portable and waterproof. Everything is awesome on this device. This is the awesome Everyfun professional massage gun. Yeah, for deep tissue, Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.